Martin the Rave.
All right, buddy.
What's going, buddy?
So how's it going?
It's going good. It's been about a week since we came. Almost every Saturday we get together, have coffee, we schmooze a bit, but we go over the next week's daily tasks. This week I started working on that subfloor for building in the great room.
Yes.
What we did was you instructed me to make sure you do this, but keep it loose, not too tight, so that we can tighten it up at the end. But what I've done here is put in the subfloor walls, the specific height of 104 inches and 5/8, something like that.
You remember that,
And so I worked on that. I also braced the windows. These windows are all bucked now and kind of ready for pour. We still got to work on the lintels for some of the windows. But this is a kind of like a finished braced product ready for pour. So if we're going down here, we still actually have to continue these walls over. So that we have that subfloor above. And so we can walk around on that. We went into Terra Nova this week. And they talked to us about
That's amazing,
our ledgers. The guy was really helpful over there. So we started thinking about where we're going to put up our web joists. So you showed me over in the corner here. What we're going to do is every 16 inches there's going to be web joists, and in between there's going to be the Simpson brackets, and then every 32 or every 2 feet there's going to be the Simpson hangers.
The Simpson bracket and hangers are together every 32 inch to carry the rim board. Right.
Okay. And then we're gonna install the ledgers up top there. But it's been going kind of smooth. A little bit of ups and downs. My hardest thing that I've had problems with, which I've been sorting out, is just making sure that everything is level and plumb. It's one of the hardest things to do. We're working with the ICF, but once you get it in,
so
go from there.
With the Triforce, we are lucky in Kingston. We have our trust company. Kingston is a small town, Ontario, just north of Lake Ontario, where St. Lawrence River meets Lake Ontario, right? In fact, we are from the forces. We live on the base. At the base, we call the PMQ the military housing. Right where I used to live, my house, right about there is where St. Lawrence River and I actually take my kids and walk to that corner. St. Lawrence River and Lake Ontario meets. So that's what Kingston is. It's a historic military town in Canada, right? It was supposed to be the capital city of Canada, and the reason why they moved out of there. There's lots of fights in 1812 with the U.S. They moved up to Ottawa to avoid the U.S. attacking Canada's capital city. If it wasn't for the U.S., Kingston would have been the capital city of Canada. Historic, beautiful city. Now, that city is a small town, but we have our own trust company. And they do amazing Terra Nova Trust. I'm just advertising them. They help us design everything, all the beams, how it's connected, the Simpson brackets, the catalog, and they design all the truss and everything that holds above for the roof, the joists and stuff like that. And it's really cool, and I regret not having a video. It's really cool how the guy was showing us on his computer how the computer calculates it and all the loads and everything, and he just clicks, and then now he's got a roof or he's got a wall. It's just amazing that we did that yesterday. And so our plan is, like you said, we marked posts here, right? I don't know if I can see it in the video, but there's a post there. So we marked all the way the post's gonna go. We're gonna put posts, we're gonna put the joist, and we're gonna connect this second floor. We're gonna build the subfloor for the second floor. It will walk here on that subfloor to pour our 9 foot of concrete. So you are putting together all by yourself. You should be videoing yourself time to time. I admire I admire, you've getting physically very strong over time too. Construction keeps you fit.
It does.
I admire how you're able to put this all by yourself. That's crazy for me. I was never able to do this all by myself. So we talk about it on the weekends, and eventually you put things together,
yeah,
right?
You give me the vision, and I move forward throughout the week.
Yeah. So
and step by step, man, like you say, brick by brick.
Yeah.
And you just, like I said, just staying persistent out here.
Yeah.
And
you will have a roof before winter hits.
yeah, even
And
putting
then-
this subfloor right now, it's pretty cool because we get some shade going.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. So I'm happy with the progress, Corey. We have last week it was raining. There was a bit of a headache trying to sort out in the rain how many of these joists that we have, how many of the rim boards that we have, but we finally figured out how many was delivered. We sort out any big problems with the truss company, Terranova, and we are good to go now. It's just like a jigsaw puzzle. Things gonna be put together one at a time.
Yeah, you seem to really like the big sliding.
Oh, I love this French door.
It's gonna be a good view.
Well, you decided last minute. It wasn't part of the design.
Yeah, that's true. We didn't
It was supposed to be a window here and then the door over there, right?
Right, but after seeing your house and
Yeah.
the big sliding door,
Yeah.
I was like, man, if a Reeve can do it,
Yeah.
I can do it.
Yeah.
And then you're like, yeah, you can do it.
That's good. That's good. I like that. Yeah. Okay. So that's like amazing view here. Look at it. You're sitting here for dinner with your family, and this is the view you have. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, it's quiet out here too.
Yeah. And this you're gonna finish this up. I mean, oh, there's a small river over there. Yeah. So the porch you have. I forgot. You have a roof over your porch over there.
That's right.
You have a roof on that side too.
Yep, it's gonna look awesome.
Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, Corey. So excited for you, buddy. You're gonna get there. All right. So subscribe.
Subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.